In question 11, the diagram shows the line x equals to 5 upon 2, part of the curve half x plus 7 upon 10 minus 1 upon x minus 2 power 1 upon 3, and the normal to the curve at the point A, which is 3, 6 upon 5. In part A, we have to find the x-coordinate of the point where the normal to the curve meets the x-axis. Now, at this point, the coordinates will be x, 0. To find the x-coordinate, we will first have to form an equation for the normal. Now, before we form the equation, we need to find the gradient. So first we'll find the dy dx of the expression. So initially we can write this expression as 1 upon 2x plus 7 upon 10 minus x minus 2 to the power minus 1 upon 3. So finding the dy dx, which will give us the gradient of the tangent, this will be 1 upon 2. So differentiating 1 upon 2x will be 1 upon 2, 7 upon 10 will become a 0. Now multiplying minus 1 upon 3 by minus, this will become a plus 1 upon 3 into x minus 2, and minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 will be equals to minus 4 upon 3. So this will be minus 4 upon 3. Now the x value at point A is 3, so this will become 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 into 3 minus 2 to the power minus 4 upon 3. So 1 to the power minus 4 upon 3 will be 1. So the gradient will be 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3, which will be equals to 5 upon 6. Now the gradient of the tangent is 5 upon 6, as the dy dx gives the gradient of the tangent. So the gradient of the normal will be equals to the negative reciprocal, which is minus 6 upon 5. Now forming the equation of the normal, which will be formed using the formula y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So the y1 value will be 6 upon 5. So we'll write y minus 6 upon 5 equals to, the gradient is minus 6 upon 5. So this will be minus 6 upon 5 into x minus the x1 value will be 3. So taking the LCM, this will become 5y minus 6 upon 5 equals to minus 6x plus 18 upon 5. The 5 and 5 will cancel on both the sides. So the final equation will be 5y equals to minus 6x plus 18 plus 6. So this will be 5y equals to minus 6x plus 24. Now to find the x coordinate, we'll now substitute y equals to 0 into the equation. So when we substitute y equals to 0, this will be 0 is equals to minus 6x plus 24. So 6x will be equals to 24 and x will be equals to positive 4. So this point will be 4, 0. Now in part B, we have to find the area of the shaded region, giving the answer correct to 2 decimal place. Now to find the area of the shaded region, we have the curve and the normal intersecting at point A. So we will use this point to find the area under the graph for the equation y equals to half x plus 7 upon 10 minus 1 upon x minus 2 whole cube. This x value is 3, so the limit will be 3 and 5 upon 2 for the curve. And then for the triangle, we can use half base into height. The base is 1 and the height is 6 upon 5. So we can do half into 6 upon 5 into 1. Now, first finding for the area under the curve, the equation is y equals to 1 upon 2x plus 7 upon 10 minus 1. So we can bring x minus 2 to the power minus 1 upon 3 in the numerator. Now integrating to find the area, we'll get, so integrating 1 upon 2x, this will become 1 upon 2x squared upon 2, which will be equals to x to the power 4 upon 4. So this will become x squared upon 4 as we increase the power and divide by the new power. This will become 7 upon 10x. And now increasing the power by 1, so x minus 2 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 will become positive 2 upon 3. So this will become 2 upon 3 and we'll divide it by the new power 2 upon 3. So this will be x squared upon 4 plus 7 upon 10x minus 3 upon 2 into x minus 2 to the power 2 upon 3. Now substituting the limits, as the limits were 3 and 5 upon 2. So first substituting the upper limit, which is 3, so this will become 9 upon 4 plus 7 upon 10 into 3 minus 3 upon 2 into, so 3 minus 2 will be 1, so this will become 1 to the power 3, 2 upon 3. And then subtracting the lower limit, so the lower limit was 5 upon 2, so this will become 5 upon 2 is 2.5, so we'll write 2.5 whole squared upon 4 plus 7 upon 10 into 2.5 minus 3 upon 2 into 2.5 minus 2 to the power 2 upon 3. Substituting these values in the calculator, so this will become 9 upon 4 plus 2.1 minus 3 upon 2 minus, this will become 6.25 upon 4 plus 1.75 minus 3, and this will 2.5 minus 2 will be 0.5 to the power 2 upon 3 divided by 2. Subtracting the values in the calculator, the area under the curve will be 0.48. And now finding the area of triangle. So this will be 1 upon 2 into, so now we know that the base will be 1 and the height will be 6 upon 5. So we'll write it as 1 upon 2 into 1 into 6 upon 5, which will be equals to 6 upon 10. Or in decimal, we can write it as 0.6. So the total area will be equals to 0.6 plus 0.48, which is equals to 1.08. So the final answer will be 1.08 for the area of the shaded region.